Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 19th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, if you've been keeping up with my videos, you know that I think that this is possibly the end of a pullback right here, right at the 38% fib. I think it's a WXY. It looks like three ways down, three ways up, three ways down. So a 333 WXY. Then we have a nice impulsive up. We got a nice break of structure. Hopefully it's a wave one. We got a nice three-way pullback. Should be a wave two. And I think there's a very good likelihood that we are in a wave three and that we will go up and take out the previous highs in this wave three. Now I have my Fibonacci extension on here just in case it does end up bouncing off an appropriate Fibonacci level for not an 1, 2, 3, but an A, B, C. So if it does go up to, maybe the 100% or the 90% of one of those levels that a wave C could turn at and break structure to the downside, then we better exit our longs and potentially go short for the continuation of this correction. But looking at the dollar index and looking at other correlated pairs, I think there's a much better chance that it will continue to make higher highs, higher lows, and it's actually a wave one, wave two, and wave three. So what does that mean? That means on the shorter time frames, like the 1 hour, I would definitely be waiting for pullbacks to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.